Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. Turning off Xbox Game Bar can help reduce background activity, free up system resources, and improve performance, especially if you don't use its gaming features. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu icon and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on the System tab from the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and select System Components. Now locate Game Bar in the list. Click on the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Under Background App Permissions, click the drop-down menu and select Never. Next, scroll down and click the Terminate button to stop the Game Bar from running in the background. Now return to the Settings menu and click on the Gaming tab from the left-hand sidebar. Select Game Bar. Find the option Allow your controller to open Game Bar and turn the toggle switch off. This will prevent Xbox Game Bar from running in the background and stop it from opening accidentally when using a controller. And that's it! You have successfully disabled Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.